How to use Grok AI for financial or stock market insights. Want quick updates on finance or the stock market? Grok AI can help you stay informed right inside X. First, open Grok AI and type prompts like what's trending in the stock market today or summarize Tesla's latest earning report. Grok will generate a concise response using real-time X conversation and data summaries. You can also ask for insights like compare Bitcoin and Ethereum trends or list key finance influencer on X. For better accuracy, always cross-check financial suggestions before making any investment decisions. Grok provides insights, not financial advice. Do you follow market trends through AI tools? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Grok AI for financial or stock market insights. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.